Thank you for joining us in the studio today, Tshepo. How can carbon financing be effectively integrated into mining projects to reduce the environmental impact?
Thank you, Gwenza. What is important about carbon financing is the fact that it helps mining companies decarbonize. And there's two ways of looking at it. You could be financing projects that reduce your emissions or the carbon intensity of your operations, or you could use that financing to finance projects that generate carbon credits and then use those carbon credits to offset some of your emissions. So you have optionality in terms of how you can utilize carbon financing.
What are the potential benefits and challenges of implementing carbon financing mechanisms in the African mining sector?
I think one of the challenges is data. So a lot of carbon financing requires data upfront to assess the impact of whatever initiatives that you'll be financing or project that you'll be financing. So that data is important because you need to quantify the resultant emissions reduction or avoidance or removal. So that data is actually quite important. But also fundamental to that is the project itself has to be economically feasible. In that it can be a project that results in a loss or impacts the financial performance of the mining company itself. So it's very important that the fundamentals are done correctly, but the data is there to measure the impact of the initiative itself.
How can RMB assist mining companies in navigating the complexities of carbon financing and achieving their sustainability goals?
I think one of the things that we do is first to understand where the company is in terms of its carbon strategy, ESG strategy, or sustainability strategy. What sort of long-term goals, short-term goals has the mining company put forward? And then from there, we can understand what the company needs. Are they planning to reduce their emissions by a certain percentage? Are they planning to achieve carbon neutrality or net zero emissions? Because from that, we can understand their requirements. And then with those requirements, we can look at some of the initiatives that they have planned or put forward, be it renewable energy, energy efficiency, and then also understand their carbon offsetting requirements, because all of those can be structured into various sustainable finance products, be it on a use of proceeds or sustainability linked products. So that's what we do from an RMB to support our mining clients to decarbonize and ensure that they reduce their carbon intensity of their operations.